guys. So we are in lab 6.5.10 and we're going to create and link a GPO. So you are the IT security administrator for a small corporate network. You would like to use group policy to enforce settings for certain workstations on your network. You have prepared and tested a security template file that contains policies that meet your company's requirements. So in this lab, your task is to perform the following on CompTIA. You're going to create a GPO named workstation settings in the CompNet.local domain and link the workstation settings GPO to the following organizational units. And we're going to import wsec.f template also. So let's just start lab. So in case you find this video to be too fast for you, I apologize for that. You can always pause the video and walk at your own pace. Alright, so we'll go to Tools and Group Policy Management. So let's expand this. So let's expand this and we click on, we expand CompTIA.local and we'll go to Group Policy Object. Let's click on it and New GPO, which stands for New Policy Object. So we are supposed to rename the workstation settings and Group Net workstation. So let's say this is going to be workstation settings and OK. So we go to Team Marketing, right click on it, then link. So go to workstation settings, click OK. Take this down and take this down, go to Sales Manager, Temp Sales, link, and this is workstation settings, OK. Then we'll go to Support, link, workstation settings, OK. So scroll down and expand this. So let's bring this down. Workstation settings. Right click on it. Click on Edit. Then expand policies and expand Windows settings. Then we'll go to security settings, right click on it, then we'll click on import policy. All right. So we'll go to this PC, scroll down, go to C drive, double click on it to enter C drive, temp sales, open, and this right here, select, Alright, so go ahead and score lab. In case you find this video to be helpful, remember to share in other platforms like Facebook and websites so that other students can benefit also. Like and subscribe to the channel. Comment your questions below if you have any. Thank you for watching, and I will definitely see you in my next video.